Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Shalu. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you're checking out all my other social media platforms, there are all the links. Okay, welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. For today's video, I have a very exciting concept. I have done so many fashion videos and so many fashion hauls at this point, but I have never ever done like a workwear video or what to wear to office and even for work from home these days. I thought, why not create a video for all those professional women? And workwear is such an important part of so many people's day-to-day lives. Like most of you must be wearing your office clothes for majority of your time period. So I thought it's finally time, let's do that. So today's video is kind of gonna be a review plus haul. As I was searching through options for women's wear, I came across the brand Fablestreet. They reached out to me as well and I thought this was the perfect time. Let's first of all do a detailed review of the brand because it exclusively deals in workwear and there were lots of things that personally attracted me to the brand. So I thought let's do a full dedicated video covering its delivery, return policies, the USP, what the brand has to offer, and obviously finally the product itself and their quality. So yeah, let's get started. Here's an A to Z of Fablestreet. Okay, so just to go over the basics, they do offer a no questions asked return policy except for a few exceptions, just the sale products and customized products. They not only ship to India but they also ship worldwide, which is pretty great. And at the moment, because most of their products are made to order and customized according to your tailored needs, they take about 4 to 7 days of shipping. They do have an express shipping option and honestly there's quite a bit of information and their website is very detailed regarding each and every single thing. So I'll just link down all of that below. Okay, now to the exciting part, the thing that intrigued me the most and the thing that attracted me to the website the most. All of their pieces are very timeless, very classic, obviously something that you'd want from workwear, and very versatile as well. You can reuse them quite a lot in a lot of different ways. And apart from that, the pieces, as I mentioned before, are custom made according to you. We obviously deal with so many body shapes, so many different heights. I am personally short and obviously all products don't fit everyone the same way. So the fact that you can literally enter, I think, 3 measurements and they will custom the entire piece for you is pretty great. And especially you want your workwear to be good quality, to be well fitted. बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. Now that I started going to a lot of meetings and stuff like that, I do want to be properly dressed up. I can't go very shabbily dressed, and that is when I learned that workwear needs to be good quality. I think it's one of that areas जहाँ पे compromise नहीं करना चाहिए. Hence I was super excited to try the brand out. Even though they have collaborated with me for the pieces, but the opinions are going to be 100% honest. I'm not going to be holding back and the pieces are in the premium cost range, which is why it's especially important that this review is like 100% honest. And lastly, about the quality, I haven't tested out the products right now. We'll be doing that on camera, but they have quite a few claims on their website. They say that all their shirts are non-transparent, the blouses are lined, which is a pretty huge plus point. And as I mentioned, that you can even customize the length of your trousers. So those are lots of claims. We'll be seeing that as we go along. And I think ab काफी हो गया है, like me talking to you guys. So let's finally open the package. I wanted to cover as many categories as possible for you guys. So I asked them if we could, cover lots of pieces, and I have a huge package here. So let's start the unboxing. Let's see what their packaging looks like also. I'm super excited. I think I'm just straight up going to jump in. So this is the first top. At first glance, the fabric feels really soft. Okay, so it's basically a V-neck satin top, and right in the middle you have kind of a peplum detail. You have these 2 buttons which makes it like almost in a peplum shape, and this one is full sleeved. You have buttons on the cuffs as well, very nice. And I know that this color might not be for everyone. If you're the kind of person who likes to wear red for work, then this is stunning. Like the color looks so good. It's not in your face bright कि वो बहुत झटक लगेगा. And I'm instantly noticing tiny stitching details, like on the sleeve right here. You can see how this is kind of ruched up to give the shoulders a really nice effect and to give it like a power blouse feeling. And as I mentioned that this is like a satin finish, yet on the inside they have that lining so that the inside is very comfortable. The first piece looks very promising. The stitching is impeccable, at least for this one. Let's move on. Okay, now we've tried to keep something for everyone. So the satin blouse was a very different vibe. And next, now this is super out of my comfort zone, but it can be a really nice workwear option. So this is what it looks like. Now it's basically a cotton midi dress. Fabric of this one, it's literally that cotton linen, and it's gonna be so breezy for the summers. I feel like even the length of this one is really appropriate for the summers, and it's not too short, and it has small sleeves right here and really nice wooden buttons all over. The neckline is square, something that I'm loving these days. And yeah, again, the stitching, the quality, you can see why it's a premium price. It is showing, like when you wear this, I think it will clearly show that you're wearing a really good quality piece. Also, some of the pieces I'm going to be showing you, including this one, are from their newly launched range. As you're watching this, they've literally launched a few days back, and so we thought for this video, why not share them? Super excited for this. Really needed this in my wardrobe. It is a basic jacket and pant set. There were numerous color options for this. We went for this one. These are what the pants look like. Love the color, very subtle, very appropriate. Now there's a very exciting detail about this pantsuit. They are a part of their live-in range. So basically all of those pieces have a 4-way stretch. They are made up of a nylon rayon blend, which is why they don't wrinkle, and that is such a good option for a workwear where you have to sit for longer hours. So it will not crease, and obviously it will fit you really well and be comfortable all day long. So I thought that was really interesting. Similarly, the jacket is also made up of the same fabric, and as I touch it, I can feel the quality of the fabric. And yes, I desperately needed a pantsuit. I did not have one, and I was just very confused on what to go for. I did buy the Instawala oversized blazer, but that wasn't very practical and did not look very formal. So I think this is going to be the go-to option for my next meeting. I also have another product from their same live-in range, so let me quickly show you that. So they are a basic pair of black leggings, and I thought ki usi technology mein, in like that comfortable fabric and stretchable fabric, let me get pairs of leggings. They are almost high-waisted, and the reason being that I do have my basic black leggings up to like ₹1,000 and one of ₹500, but they are not of great quality. They become transparent and light. They become very sheer, and yeah, as you wash them over and over, basically they do not long. And I've bought now 3-4 of those black leggings, which I wear so often, but their quality is just not great. So I thought let's try these leggings, and this is what it looks like. I think these are a great option. Again, very comfortable fabric. The only thing that these are of 2300. This is a premium brand. I'm emphasizing that again and again because that is important to know, but at the same time, the quality, the stitching, I'm going to try and show it as closely as on camera. To me, it looks pretty good. Before we move on to the rest of the clothing, I do have a few accessory pieces also from them. The first one is this pack of 3 cotton masks. Came very nicely packaged and have a really nice print on all of them. They are in similar lines with that cotton floral dress and have a similar floral pattern. The material looks super breathable and comfortable. I'm just not very happy with the elastic. This could have been like covered or like made with cloth. But yeah, apart from that, the stitching is great. It's of a really nice size, and it's really nice that you have 3 color options. And we also have another option of these simple black ones. You have nice colored trim detailings, so this looks super good. And whatever outfit you're wearing, since it's all black, it'll go with most of them, and you can just match a hint of whatever color is there in your outfit with these ones. And I just read that these are produced from upcycled fabrics, so that is a great plus point. These are washable, and once again guys, the quality seems pretty good. My favorite accessory or jewelry is basically next. I'm super excited. I am so much into jewelry these days. I don't know, like I'm just spiraling into the jewelry world. So it's come in this pouch. The first thing is a necklace. This is what it looks like. It's a very elegant pair and I love the jewelry category. Again, it's targeted towards professional women, so all of the pieces are very elegant and very versatile. Like this gold piece you can literally wear with a lot of things. Super nice, super dainty, and this does have 18K gold plating on it, which is visible in the color and explains the price of this, and which is why it's going to last you a pretty long time. Like that's something with gold jewelry. Most of my gold jewelry from Sarojini is already like blackened. The next pair is very interesting. It has lots of different like elements. I'll just show you. These are the next pair of earrings. So the mixed metals I was talking to you about. Firstly, the ear thing has like a gold detailing. Then you have these pearls, and in between you also have an agate stone, which is very interesting. I do see myself wearing this with lots of different outfits, and at the same time it's pretty like stylish. The gold plating on this one is 14 karat, and you can, again, I'm repeating myself, but I see the quality of this and I see how it's different from other like straight jewelry pieces. Okay, let's quickly move on to the rest of the clothing. So I'm really excited about the next piece because it is a jumpsuit. And jumpsuits can be pretty like interesting to wear in a workwear environment. Firstly, you don't have to think about the combination in the morning. That's the best part about cords and jumpsuits. So this is what it looks like. Again, went for a linen in this one. A really nice cotton blended linen. One of the latest launches, and this is a slight greenish color with white stripes. The button detailing is really nice. You have the buttons here hidden. This one is half sleeved again, and yes, it has pockets, thank God for that. There is also a belt with this in the same cotton fabric. Again, you can go ahead and get the length customized at no extra cost. So this is really interesting. I do see myself wearing this in summer with maybe like a simple pair of closed-toed flats. Okay, before I move on to my favorite piece, I'm going to be showing that in the end. I had to keep an option for work from home. So many people are still working from home, so I thought एक ऐसा भी होना चाहिए. We have a pair of cotton shorts. Oh my god, summers के लिए, like this is screaming summers, and it's going to be so comfortable. Really nice fabric. This is cotton and it has really nice pleated details. It has pockets again, thank God. And yeah, these look super cute. It's not even like of a very short length, which I like, and super neutral color, super versatile. So if you're having a work from home session, then A, you'll be very comfortable, and B, by chance utna pad gaya, you'll still be pretty decently dressed up. Now to go with this, we picked up this white plain shirt. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty like simple shirt, and it has almost like a drop shoulder here. Now the main thing in a white shirt, this is for 1400, which is on the higher side. So the main thing, if this will actually be worth it or not, if it's transparent or not. So this is what it looks like. That's pretty good on the transparency test, and at the first glance, again, quality seems super good. Stitching seems super nice. So if you want to invest in that good quality white shirt which will last you a long time, I think this can be a good option. Moving on to the last but my favorite piece, I have kept it for the end. So oh, nice. Oh, so this red dress has come with a slip underneath it, which is a first. None of my dresses yet have come with the slip, and that too of the similar color, taki in case this like is transparent or anything, then you have the slip. And secondly, the slip fits your body really well. Guys, I am instantly in love. And this basically has this cowl neck, I think you call it that. So the neck basically falls here, and then the dress flows down. The perfect option for an office party or like a work party, or even any party in general. This is the slip, and the fabric is super comfortable because you have to wear this inside, and the satin outside once again does the perfect job, and this is looking stunning. Honestly, I think when you wear it, again, it will justify the price point. Okay, and that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you like it. Firstly, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel in case you enjoyed this video, and we have a huge giveaway coming up at 50k. So let's get there super quick. Honestly, I love this video. Like overall, all of the pieces were so classic, so statement, and I am very happy with the quality, and I'm happy that I'm able to show you great pieces for my first ever workwear video. Overall, my Fablestreet first impressions and review was pretty great. I love the fact that A, they have tons of information, and B, I think the quality of the clothes itself. Third thing that I love the most is the variety of clothes you have. It's literally like a one-stop shop for workwear, which is pretty great. If you have any other questions, and as I'll be using the products more often, I think you can ask me them in the comments box. I'll keep you guys updated on their quality, on how they're performing after washing maybe, and any other point I may have missed out about Fablestreet itself or workwear in general. Any ideas you have, drop them also down in the comments box. And that's about it for this video. I shall see you on Sunday with a special Sunday video.